Can a defendant testify in their own criminal trial? In recent news, many people are curious about the rights of defendants in criminal trials, especially regarding their ability to testify. This question has gained attention as various high-profile cases unfold. If you are wondering whether a defendant can take the stand in their own defense, you are not alone. Let's break down the facts surrounding this important topic. Yes, a defendant in a criminal trial generally has the right to testify on their own behalf if they choose to do so. This right is a fundamental part of the legal process, allowing defendants to present their side of the story. However, this right comes with important considerations and limitations. The decision to testify is often strategic. A defendant must voluntarily waive their right to remain silent in order to take the stand. Once they decide to testify, they open themselves up to cross-examination by the prosecution. This means they could face tough questions aimed at challenging their credibility. Courts have recognized that preventing a defendant from testifying can violate their due process rights. For instance, the United States Supreme Court ruled in cases that established the importance of allowing defendants to present critical evidence, including their own testimony. When a court excludes a defendant from testifying, it can undermine the fairness of the trial. While defendants have the right to testify, defense attorneys usually provide guidance on whether this decision is wise based on the specifics of the case. If a defendant chooses not to testify, jurors are instructed not to interpret that silence as an admission of guilt. In summary, a defendant can indeed testify in their own criminal trial. This right is protected by constitutional principles related to due process and the right to present a defense. The choice to testify involves weighing the potential benefits against the risks, including the chance of a challenging cross-examination. Understanding these factors is essential for anyone following current legal discussions.